Question 9. So very straightforward, completing the square to start with. Remember, the key bit is our opening decision, which is to consider x plus something all squared. And what's this something? Well, it is half the coefficient of the x. So we've got 8 here, so we consider 4. Now x plus 4 all squared gives us x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now we don't want 16, we want 19, so we choose to add 3 to both sides, giving us this. This is now in the required format of this. So a is 4, b is 3. Now, hence state the least value and the value of x at which this occurs. So this is really why we do complete the square. It allows us to simply work out the maximum and the minimum. So consider the graph y equals x plus 4 all squared plus 3, which is basically what we've just worked out. It's the alternative format for x squared plus 8x plus 19. Now, if we want to minimize the value of y, well, this term here has to be 0. Now, how do we, because that's the smallest we can get. If you're squaring something, the very smallest you can get for this term is 0. So how do we make this term 0? Well, x is minus 4. Now, what happens when x is minus 4? Well, this term is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Y equals 3. So when x equals minus 4, y equals 3. So the least value of x squared plus 8x plus 19 is 3. And this occurs when x is minus 4. Now for part 3, we're just putting 1 over all this work we've just done. So 1 over this completed square. So again, if we're going to try and find the greatest value of this whole thing, we need to minimize the denominator. So again, x is minus 4. This first term is therefore 0, so we've got 1 over 3, which is a third. So we've minimized the denominator to maximize the whole thing.